I love nature. Nature brings me more energy, happiness, and presence. So, why not have a little trip? But here I am, in my nature. Still, I feel the same. Same fear, same anxiety, same person. I don't really understand what's really happening. Mountains, beaches, all those beautiful views don't seem to satisfy me anymore. What am I looking for? What am I craving for? What? I realized good thing and the bad thing about traveling that everything is the same. No matter the place, people seem to do the same thing. Keep busy. Either busy living or busy dying. Do people realize that we only have one life to live and have no promise how long this life will last? And even if we know, would we still squander time? Will we still try to fill our inner void with external distraction, shying away from anything confronting and uncomfortable, anything deep and meaningful? Or would we learn to live in the moment, aware of our every breath, and begin to live for ourselves and for the one we love?